Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest tech offerings to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Vieunite Textura Digital Canvas, a digital frame that's more than just a frame. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk size. This isn't your typical digital photo frame. The Vieunite Textura boasts a whopping 27-inch display, making it a real statement piece in any room. Whether you choose to mount it on your wall or place it on a sideboard, it's sure to grab attention. But it's not just about size, it's about quality too. The display on the Vieunite Textura is top-notch. With natural colors that pop in any lighting condition, it's like having a piece of art come to life in your home. Now, let's talk about the app. Setting up the Vieunite Textura is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly companion app. From here, you can not only upload your photos and videos but also access a library of free artwork to display on your canvas. Installation is straightforward too, whether you choose to mount it on your wall or place it on a surface. The package comes with everything you need, including a template for precise drilling and a swivel mount for optimal viewing. And let's not forget about versatility. Whether you're a fan of digital art or simply want to showcase your family photos, the Vieunite Textura has you covered. With its seamless transition between portrait and landscape orientation, you can display your content exactly how you want. In conclusion, the Vieunite Textura Digital Canvas is more than just a digital photo frame. With its stunning display, user-friendly app, and access to a world of digital art, it's a true standout in the market. While it may come with a higher price tag, the quality and versatility it offers make it well worth the investment. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.